Drinking water is essential for human existence, and it is the primary need to survive. National Water Policy 2002 and Odisha State Water Policy define the vision to provide potable piped water supply on 24/7 basis at an affordable price and in a sustainable and eco-friendly manner to urban citizens. The raw water is lifted from the river or any surface through intake well. And is treated through different units of water treatment plants like aerator, flash mixer, clarifloculator, and finally filtered through a sand filter. Then water is disinfected to kill the bacteria and virus present in it. And now the water is fit for drinking purpose and it is supplied to the public through pipelines. Department promises to supply drinking water to all households by 2020. Now the drinking water is accessible to all sections of people, even to slum dwellers also. It desires to provide water to all households, including urban poor, with at least 70 liters per capita per day, progressively increasing it to 135 liters per capita per day under Piyush Yojana. BPL householders are being provided water supply connection with a subsidized amount of rupees 500 only. The rent is fixed at rupees 42 per month only. While covering 100% household, quality of water is maintained.
राज्य सरकार आम बस्ती बासिंदा को पानी जोगाई देबारु आम बहुत खुशी अच्छु आम पानी पाइबार भी बहुत उपकृत भी होइछु.
And public-private partnership is encouraged with giving importance to e-governance. Importance and priority is given to proper treatment of water and to ensure drinking water to 100% urban citizens, including urban poor, slum dwellers, and BPL households under Piyush Yojana with tanker supply in summer. Water is always precious, and we should not waste even a drop of water.
Oh, ki shanti.
The mission targets for supplying drinking water to 100% people in all urban areas of the state under dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Odisha through Housing and Urban Development Department.